Today, I'm making a pure virgin coconut oil from about 250 milliliters fresh coconut milk. The coconut will be brought to a boil gradually, while I continue to stir it. You will notice that the milk starts to get thicker. At about 50th minute, the milk starts to separate and the milk comes out. As I continue to stir, more oil is produced. I am extracting the oil by putting it in a bottle with a cloth strainer. I continue the process until almost all the oil is extracted. This is what is left, a yummy, creamy, and crunchy coconut. Straining the last bit of the oil, a clear pure oil for cooking, hair oil, medicated oil, or even to drink it. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video.